Thanks for tuning in, Wicked fans. I like days like today. Why? Because we're back at my dirty old workbench talking about new product, new lighting, new things, fun to play with, right? So what do we have here? Well, some task lighting, okay? We've done a lot of different builds where we need a little task lighting, and we finally got our own made up here so we can supply it. These are rigid mounted. Let's open them up. I don't have that fancy TikTok thing yet where like I can snap my fingers and it would automatically open. I need to up my video skill. Anyways, what we got here is an aluminum channel, nice and rigid, easy to mount with VHB tape. Got a little reflector in it there too. You can see that, huh? And it's just a nice task light LED. So let me light them up. Alrighty, as you can see underneath that frosted lens, we got a 5K LED. Nice and bright. Let's go ahead and flip this one over just so we're not cheating, and I can show you kind of on the wall what we're working with here. Okay, you can see that. Now we're in fisheye mode, so you can see everything. And what I like about these is they're in a nice aluminum channel. They're rigid mounted. They're good and stiff. You know, they don't have much flex to them at all. And the most important thing that I like about them is they come with all these brackets. Now these brackets are going to let you, as you can see by the profile there, mount this light up in the corner on a 45 down, and that is worth its weight in gold right there. You know, to be able to mount the light up in the corner of the toolbox, not facing at you when you're looking at the toolbox, but maybe facing down on the work area. See the difference between, say, a stick-on strip light versus down on your work area. So that's why I got these lights manufactured the way I did. I like these clips. They come with clips. Whoa, jumping around. Clips to mount them flat. All right, let's just open them and tell you. So here we got the mount right like that. See, that's going to put it in the corner, and the light is going to go right here to here. And it's going to corner mount it for you. So it comes with 3 of those. And it also comes with 3 clips for flat mounting. So you can also flat mount them. Or like if you're going to flat mount it, I mean, I would probably just use VHB. But you can secure mount it with a screw if you'd like, and these clips as well. So we have 2 sizes available. We're going to carry on the website these 2 lights. Basically, these are about 11 and a half and 21 and a half. So we just went ahead and called them 12 and 22 and give you a little bit of extra room here in the corner for the wire. I don't want to ever underestimate the size. So 22 gives you just a tiny bit of wiggle room here on this one and 12 on that one. And hope you enjoy them. Thanks for watching. It's your hands-on demo with our work lights. And we'll just go ahead and try this one too and show you what this one does on the wall right there. Not bad. Overall, a nice light. So happy to have them on board. Thanks for watching.